Hello, loves. Welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a scrapbooking.com haul to share with you. Let's go ahead and see what goodies I was able to get in this box. Check out all the goodies. Look at that. All the good stuff. So let's go ahead and go through this and grab a snack. Alright, so the first thing I want to share with you, they did include a little paper of a new kit that came out, which actually I bought this. Do I have this one? I think I have this one. I have to check because I think I ordered that. But that is super cute. Let me share with what I got for free with my order. So I did get these stickers, and this is alphabet. They do have in pastel and gold. Look at that. So I got that, and this was my free gift with my order. I also have this shape die, which is like a summer type spring. So I got that one. Love that. And I also got the ombre paper pad. And I can show you a little bit of that one. Well, let me open it. Look at that. So you get the ombre. It comes with 40 sheets. Look at that. How cute would that be for crafting? So yeah. I got that one. And all of those were for free for my purchase. I got that. Do that there. So let me show you. I went ahead and got the Vegas bundle. Now I did buy a few pieces before. I have to see if it's included in this. If it's not, I will be using as part of giveaways. But yeah, I saw this and I love the kit. So this is Crafter's Companion, and it's called Vintage Vegas Collection. And this one has a stamp and die plus a stencil. Real nice. And it makes, they get all of that in there. And you can make cards with this. Let's see what's in here. Oh yeah. So it gives you the stamp, the die. Oh wow, that's actually a good size die. And you do get, wow, there's a good size jemmies. They do get some jemmies in here. And you do get the Las Vegas die, the stamp, and then you get the matching die. Plus you also get the stencil. Real nice. So I have that one. Now next one here is the Vegas sign, which is this part right here, and this is a die cut. How nice is this? Let me know in comments if you actually bought this kit. I only realized it probably a few months ago when I ordered the other ones, because scrapbooking.com had them on sale but individually. But here goes the paper pad, and this one is a 6x6, and you get 36 pieces. Let me open this. And back here it does show you what the papers are. Oh wow, look at that. Vegas. And it is double-sided. How nice is that? Looks like you get two papers of the same. Let's see, two. Let's see. Oh, actually you get three of the same sheet. There's the back side. I like this because it's grungy, and it gives me mixed media vibes. Look at that. How nice is that? And it also got the vintage vibe. So yeah, vintage, grungy, mixed media vibe, which I love. So I got that one. So that's the paper pad that comes with that. Another thing I have here is another die, and this makes the Ferris wheel. This is the Vegas skyline, and it's the metal die, and it is actually 5.7 by 2.5. Wow, that's pretty nice. Look at that. Real nice. Love those. And then this one here, which I was not able to buy the first time around, but this is the Ace of Spades, and this is a embossing folder. Look at that. Love, love, love. Oh, I love this one. This one is the Showgirls, and you do get the stamp and die. Look at that. Now, I wasn't able to get this one because it was out of stock before. But look at that. It's in the bundle. Love, love, love. That is so cute. And then another one, it is the car Cadillac. Is this car? Oh, cool Cadillac. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on, of course. And it does come with a stamp and die. Look at that. How cool are this? How cool are these? These are super, super cool. Love, love, love. And then this one here is the Cocktail Hour. And this is metal dies. Real nice. Look at that. You can see the dies that's on that side. Super, super cute. And then here goes another embossing folder, and this is the River Era playing card. So cute. Love that. And this one is 4x6. Love, love, love. Oh, I like this one. This one is the Royal Flush, and you also get the stamp and metal die. Look at that. Now, like I said, I'm not sure if this is still available at scrapbooking.com. They did have it, I think, 2 weeks ago or so. Now, this one is the King, so of course Elvis, and this is a metal die. You create that figure, and this one is 2 by 4.9. So nice, so nice. Okay, this one here is the jackpot, and this one is an acrylic stamp. Look at that. Love, love, love. That is real nice. Real, real nice. And then the last Stampin' Dies is oh, of course, the Wedding Chapel. That. So this is a die. And this die is 2 by 2.8. So this is a stamp and die. So of course you can't have Vegas without a chapel. Love, love, love. Now the next thing the kit came with was transfers, and this is for foil transfers. Look at that. So you get 6 designs. So these are the designs that you get, and you can use it for foiling. Look at that. Love, love, love. Love it. And this also comes with 8 but 8.5 by 11 luxury linen cards. So there's 24 pieces, and it includes 8 colors, and you get 3 sheets of each. Real nice, and that's to match your dies and stuff. Love it. And then, like the 6 by 6, this also has a 12 by 12. Look at that. Love it. And you do get 36 pieces, so you get 12 designs, and you get 3 of each. But yeah, that is my scrapbooking.com haul I wanted to share with you. This is Vegas. I don't know if any of you have bought any of these Vegas ones. If this is still available, I will link it, but I think it might have been out of stock already. But yeah, I will link it if it's still available. If I do have some of the extras, like I said, keep an eye out, because I will be adding them to giveaways and whatnot. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.